Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's Emaneze and I'm here with another video on WAV wallet. So there has been a major update from WAV wallet today. So I'm going to show you guys how to actually claim your airdrop. So claiming is now open to centralized exchanges. This is very good news. So firstly, what you have to do is hit that subscribe button, like the video, and of course join our WhatsApp community. All the links will be in the description of this video. So basically do that, and this is my Wave wallet account, and as you can see we are still doing our road to TGE, which of course I have claimed, and my balance, my wave point is 20,000, which is not much. So I'm going to go to events. So once I go to events, I'll see road to TGE and all that. So now I'll click on road to TGE, this join now. So once you click on join now, you see, if you go down, you see connect sex wallet. So this is centralized. So the wallet that we are going to be connecting is KuCoin. So you click on connect. They will tell you to enter your UID. If you don't have a KuCoin account, you have to create an account right here. So if you don't have a KuCoin account, guys, so basically what you have to do is click on this place and download the KuCoin app. So once you download the KuCoin app, I'm actually downloading mine now. It's taking a lot of time to load up. So once I download and log into my account, I'll drop a link in the description. If you don't have an account, you can use the link in the description and download the app and create an account immediately. So as you can see, I've successfully downloaded the KuCoin app. So now I'm going to log into my account by clicking here and wait for it to open. I'll click on agree. Alright, so I've logged into my account. So to get your UID, you go to this place right here. So once you click on it, you see where they wrote UID. So you copy this, copy the code. So copy it out. If you cannot copy it directly, copy it out, but be very careful. Copy the right code. So as you can see, my own is 220194557. 220194557, which is a 9-digit number. So immediately I'm done with that, I'm going to go back to Wave wallet. So I'll scroll back to Wave wallet right here, and then I will now go through this process all over again. So what I hope to show you guys also in this video is the price prediction. So don't go yet, just stay and I will show you my price prediction and the total supply for this token from the pre-market price. So I will show you guys also in a minute. Let me just be finished with this one first. So it has opened. I will go back to events and I'll go to root TG. I'll scroll down and click on connect. So now I'll enter my UID here. I'll paste it. So as you can see, I've pasted my UID. You can confirm. So I've pasted it and I'll connect. So congratulations, you have completed this task. So that's just it. We'll be expecting our airdrops very soon. The listing will be around the corner. So to show you how the listing price, let me just go to X and show you the total supply. Alright, so during the fundraising, this was the Tokenomics that was presented. So you can see the Total circulating supply is 90 million WAV token, 90 million. But the total supply is 1 billion WAV token. So I don't know where this exact 90 million is coming from, but the total supply is 1 billion. And they said 25% is for the community, 30% ecosystem, 17% to the team and advisors. So I'm going to be using this 1 billion to do a calculation, and I'm going to be assuming that the circulating supply is 500 billion. So I'm going to be using a market cap with its 500 billion circulating supply. So, sorry, 500 million circulating supply. So what I have to go now is I will go to my calculator, and this project is actually a good project. So from what is written here, their market cap for the circulating supply of 90 million is actually $20 million. So I'm going to be using something else. So I'll be using, with respect to the total supply of 1 billion, I'll be using 75 million market cap. 75 million market cap. Okay, maybe that's too high because a lot of persons did not actually participate in this project. So it's just about a total of, I think, about 500 users. I think it's about 500 monthly users. So I'm going to show you that to understand why I expect this project to do well. Oh, where is it? Okay, it's right here. So it has a total user counts for monthly users of about 555,000. So from there now, I will now calculate. Let's just assume using that price. Let's just assume it's $55 million for this. For 500 million total supply. Circulating supply as at listing. So it will be around 0.11. So 0.11 isn't really a bad listing price. It's actually good. I don't know the conversion ratio between the wave points and the wave token, but let's just assume it's a 1:1 ratio. So I have 20,000, which of course this is not possible. So let's assume it's a 1:10. So 1:10 simply means I will divide my entire balance, which is 20,000, divided by 10, which will give me 2,000. 2,000 divided times 0.11, it will give me about $220. $220 from this project isn't really a bad amount. I've been on this project for a while and I've spent more than $40, or let's say $30 on this project. Yeah. So that's a good listing price for me, and have a good return, of course, on investment. So also you can actually just check for some persons who have about 100,000. So what they will be getting will be around 10,000. So that will be 0. times 1, of course, which will be giving them around $1,100. A lot of influencers, of course, has around this balance. A lot of them. I don't think there's anyone that have up to a million or 500,000 wave points. So let's just assume this is what they have because they control the total supply, and this for 200,000. So the highest person, let's just say the person now is lucky enough to have up to 100,000 times 0.11. That's about $11,000, which of course is a good price. So let's hope for the best. If you have, okay, let me just do for people that have a low balance. If you have about 1,000, you'll be getting about 100 tokens. So, which is about $11. Of course, it's not a bad price. It's not a bad listing price. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. This is all for this video now. I'll see you on the next one. Of course, let's see how this plays out. The listing date will be announced. I'm definitely sure, and I'm 100% positive that is around the corner. It's within this week. So of course, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and of course, join our WhatsApp community. See you on the next one.